Here's the piece of art that I want to add texture to. I open a plant photo here. Any photo with texture will do, so go to your backyard and take a photo of plants or pebbles on the ground. Go to Filter Gallery and choose Cutout. Experiment with the settings. Duplicate the layer. Go to Filter, Stylize, find Edges. Again, please experiment with the blending mode and the opacity setting. Okay, go down to the half circle below the layers to create a new gradient map. I'm using a dark gray gradient here because I know it will be used against the dark background and I want my pattern to be subtle, but you should choose according to the color of your own drawing. And you can play around with the blending mode and the opacity here. I find normal works best, so I'm just going to use normal here and change my opacity to around 78 for this gradient map. Once you're happy with how it looks, go to Edit, Define Pattern, and define this whole picture as a new pattern. Now we can access the new pattern through the pattern stamping tool on the left. And go to the top and choose the new pattern and test it out. I'm just quickly making selections here to add my newly defined pattern. Again, I'm playing around with the blending mode and opacity to find the right combination. I'm going to add a final touch of texture by creating a new layer and filling it with any shade of gray. Go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise. I'm going to change the blending mode to Overlay, and I think the texture looks a bit too harsh, so I'm going to lower the opacity, and we're all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.